I did it again. I went on another walk. A lot of people are complaining about the weather right now. If you know me at all, you know I'm a snow baby. And I love this. I mean, come on, look at this. Alright, well, apparently today was the day to go for a walk. It's so nice out. I'm so happy. You guys look at this. Nobody's here. Barely a soul. Winter Wonderland. I'm ready. I'm done. I've been shooting at the falls for a couple hours. For sure you guys, if you're hearing this, you've already seen some pictures. What do you think of these vlog style check-in story video things going on? I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel. I've thought about starting a YouTube channel for a while. The thing with YouTube is people gotta support it, so I'd need people to like and subscribe and comment on all those videos to be successful at it. And we'd be starting with all the friends and family that I got. That'd be you guys all over the world, and here in the Twin Cities, and in Colorado, Oregon, I suppose all over the United States at this point, yeah? Man, I've traveled a lot. Well, you'll know if I do it because I'll be sending you guys there to check it out, so until then, enjoy that. Woo! It's gonna be a long winter. 2021, that's the year. It's gonna be a good one. Cross our fingers. Back in the car, starting to warm up. It's gonna be some great photos. I'm so excited. Look at my window.